everyone, hope you're all doing as well as possible. This video contains mentions of child abuse. This is an ongoing investigation. Not all legal outcomes are known or final, and all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. As a reminder of where we are in the timeline, excuse me, Joseph has a final pretrial hearing on July 14th, and then his case will go to trial in August. Please excuse my voice. I am trying to manage the allergies the best I can. If you haven't already watched my video entitled Duggars versus Caldwells, I recommend going back and watching it because we will be revisiting that whole situation in this video. I'll link it down below. I just found out that Joseph Duggar had another virtual hearing on June 16th. Like the last one, it was super short, not even 5 minutes, but like the last one, there is a lot going on behind the scenes. At the May 18th hearing, Joseph had requested unsupervised contact with his children. As said, that request was denied, thank God. Joseph does now have supervised visitation with his children. I don't love that, but I also know that those poor children are beyond traumatized and they understandably want to see their parents. They are familiar to them. So I'm trying not to get too hung up on it. The visits are supervised and the kids are still in protective custody, which again, I'm assuming means foster care. And the fact that Joseph is facing charges in 2 states makes this really confusing. My understanding is that the child custody component is overseen by the state of Arkansas. The investigation into Joseph and Kendra's home was conducted by Arkansas CPS, so it makes sense that they would be in charge of custody arrangements. Now, remember that house that Joseph owned that they kicked the Caldwells out of? Well, Joseph requested that the judge allow him back on the property, supposedly to do maintenance work. Judge Clark denied that request, and I was so happy to hear that. This means that if the Caldwells do end up returning to that home at any point, Joseph is legally not allowed to be near the family. And if they end up renting the house out to another family, Joseph won't have access to their children. The more I learn about the Florida judge, Judge Brantley Clark, the more I respect him. He is absolutely doing the right thing in this case. He is using his power as a state judge in Florida to protect children in another state. We love that. Karma is coming for you, Joseph Duggar. Judge Clark does not kid around when it comes to schmecks offenses. 1 second. All right, that is it for this video. As of the time I recorded this video, Joseph's final pretrial court date is July 14th, and then it goes to trial in August. I will keep you posted on all of that. If there end up being any more impromptu hearings, I will cover those as soon as I can. Again, please be discerning about where you are getting your info on the Duggars and the court cases. There is a lot of bullshit out there, unfortunately. Thanks for watching. Please share far and wide so we can finally destroy the patriarchy. All right, take care. Bye. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor and hit the thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon. Like you try. Bye.